How to get back old Instagram chat theme. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can get back old Instagram chat theme. So without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you land in your home page, now you have to navigate to your chat page by tapping on the chat icon at the top right corner. From here, you have to choose the specific contact where you would like to get back your old Instagram chat theme. For example, this is the contact right here. Now, to get old Instagram chat theme, tap on the profile name at the top of this interface. From here, tap on theme, and under theme, you have to scroll down and look for the one that says default. So here is the default, tap on it and then tap on select. Now if you navigate to their chat, there you can see the theme has been changed to default. So that is the way to get back old Instagram chat theme, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.